Misha Katrina, and I'd like to teach you the numbers 1 to 10 in Irish. Let's go straight through them first, and then I'll break them down for you. Ready? Repeat after me. Noid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do that again. Here we go. Noid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How are you going to remember them? Let me help. Let's start at the bottom. Let's start at 9 and 10. Okay. 9 is knee. Lots of vowels, sounds like your knee. Knee. 10 is J. That D at the beginning sounds like a DJ. It's like, would you like a cup of tea? J, would you? J, J, J. So, I need to remember knee, J. I need to remember knee, J. What's 9? Knee. What's 10? J. Good, we have 2 numbers. How to remember 8? Think of an octopus. It's more like an octopus in Irish because O is pronounced like a U, like an umbrella. Octopus. And the CH here is a little ocht. Ocht. Octopus, 8. Ocht in Irish. Octopus is an octopus, but ocht is 8. Do you remember 9 and 10? Because I need you to remember them. What was 9? Ni, and 10, Je. And what was 8? Ocht. 7 is easy. It is so easy that I will be shocked if you forget it. It's not quite the same as in English shocked. There is that CH sound in there. Schacht. Schacht. I will be shocked if you forget 7. What was 7? Schacht. 8. Another CH sound. Ocht. Do you remember 9 and 10? Because I need to remember those 2. Okay? For number 6, I want you to think of a guy called Shay. He plays football. His jersey is number 6. His name is Shay. 6 is Shay. Shay. Okay. 7 was easy. Don't tell me you forgot it because I will be shocked. What was number 6 again? Shay. Schacht. 7. What was 8? Ocht. And do you remember the ones we started with? Because I need to remember those 2. Okay, we're flying. We're almost in the middle. The middle is number 5, so that's cool. I dig it. It is cool with no L and dig with no D. Cúig. Cúig is 5. Halfway there. Cool. Dig. Cúig is number 5. What was number 6? Guy's name. What was that? What was that? Shay. 7 was easy. So easy if you forget it, I would be shocked for number 7. What was number 8? Like the octopus, it was ocht. And do you remember the last two? The ones we started with? Ni, je. Okay. I'm going to skip number 4. I'm going to leave that until the end. Let's go to number 3. Tree, tree, tree. I want you to remember 3. Want you. In English, when we say want you, we get that ch sound coming in there. That happens in Irish too, a little more forward. Tree, tree. That's easy. 3. And 2. Pooh, that's so easy. That's Homer Simpson would say, do, if he forgot it. Do is number 2. A Homer Simpson phrase. Do, you can't forget that one. Number 2 is do. What was number 3? Tree. Okay. Let's add some more. Let's go to 0. 0 in English is usually naught. And if people ask you to do something and you don't want to do it, you can say, nah, don't want to do that. Noige is naught. 0. Noige. Noige. And you've got that j sound there at the end again. Noige. You might get annoyed if you forget it. Noige. One more than noige is gaining one. Drop the G and you get an. 0, noige. Gain of 1 without the G, an. Do you remember number 2? Do. Do you remember number 3? 3. We skipped number 4. 5 was halfway through. Do you remember halfway through what was 5? It was cool. Cuig. Do you remember number 6? Guy's name. Shay. Do you remember number 7? You forgot? I am Schacht. Do you remember 8? Like an octopus. Ocht. And the ones we started with because I need to remember them. Need. Okay, only 1 to go. I left it till last because it's long. It's number 4 and that's what it looks like. But we're going to skip letters. K. We're going to skip the E and go to the A. Ka. We're going to drop the T completely. Ka. We're going to skip the A and go to ir. Kahir. Kahir. And we're going to do a little breath on that R at the end. Kahir. Kahir. Kind of sounds like gather. Kahir. 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 Little bit maybe. Think of people gathering at the crossroads because people used to gather at the crossroads to dance where the 4 roads are, because this is number 4. Gather. Kahir. 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 Okay, we have them all. Can we remember them? The challenge. Da 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 dum. 0. Not. Noige. 1 is a gain of 1 more without the G. An. Number 2. Do. Number 3. Tree. The new one, the long one for the crossroads, the 4 roads where people gather. It was Kahir. Kahir. 5, halfway. That's cool. Cuig. 6, guy's name. she. 7. If you forget, I will be. Schacht. 8. Like an octopus. 8. And the ones we started with. Ni, je, ni, je. Okay, let's read them once more and see if they're a little bit easier this time. Ready? Een, nooit, een, dol, 3, ceathair, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And without looking at these ones. Nooit, een, dol, 3, ceathair, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Basic numbers 0 to 10. Welcome to Irish.